7 ways beard butter helps your beard grows. When it comes to beard care and grooming, beard butter is, perhaps, one of the least understood products. The reason for this is not far from how beard butter seems to be a blend of beard oil and beard balm. Most people know what beard oil is and what beard balms do, but they can hardly pinpoint exactly how beard butter would help their beard grow. Beard butter helps your beard grow by providing deep conditioning and moisturizing effects to your beard and skin underneath. These nourishing effects promote healthier beard growth. With that, beard butter also softens the beard and gives it an appealing sheen that leaves it feeling fresh and looking good. You may have started growing a beard for a few weeks or months now, or you already have an impressively long, killer beard, or maybe you prefer to wear stubble. Whatever beard growing stage you are, beard balm can help you grow and keep your beard as healthy as possible. If you've only used beard oils and balms but will like to know the benefits of beard butter, you've come to the right place. In a couple of minutes, you'll see all the amazing benefits that beard butter provides. Here's a fair warning: after reading this post, you may end up asking yourself why you've not used beard butter this whole time. Let's get this started, shall we? What is beard butter? There's an archaic English word betwixt. It means in between. That's exactly what beard butter is. Beard butter is the betwixt beard care product that combines properties of beard oil and beard balm. It is generally made from a fine blend of shea butter, or another type of natural butter, essential oils, natural oils, and a small quantity of beeswax. These ingredients give beard butter its unique characteristics. The beeswax makes it excellent if you're looking to give your beard light hold. Natural and essential oils provide deep moisturizing and conditioning for your skin and beard, while natural butter helps promote healthier beard growth. Beard butter gives you a better looking and softer beard with well-nourished facial skin. It is not as solid as beard balm, so it doesn't need to be emulsified or melted between your hands before application. But it is not liquid like beard oil either, so it won't be as runny, though it is just as easy to apply. Seems a bit confusing, right? It's neither here nor there. However, that's actually a good thing because the in-between characteristic of beard butter gives it dual purpose. Perhaps the simplest way to describe beard butter is to think of it like beard balm without the beeswax. It has better moisturizing properties than beard oil but is devoid of the hardening effect of beard balm. In other words, with beard butter, you'll be getting the value of 2 beard products for the price of 1. Beard butter gives your beard and skin deep moisturizing and light hold for controlling unruly beard hair. Does beard butter help a beard grow? Now, let's get real. There is no magic pill or beard care product that can grow new hair follicles if you don't already have them. If you cannot grow a beard genetically, there will just be no oil, balm, or butter that can produce whiskers on your face overnight. None. There's really no need to hype any beard care product because that will give you the wrong idea and unrealistic expectations. When you use any beard product, it is important to understand what the phrase promotes beard growth means. That statement means that the product can aid healthy beard growth, as long as you have what it takes to grow a beard. Wait, what? What does it take to grow a beard? Well, being a man may be a good starting point, but women grow mustaches and beards too. Your genes and adequate testosterone levels play vital roles in your ability to grow a beard, but that's a topic for another day. Here's a direct answer to the question of whether beard butter helps with beard growth. Yes, beard butter does aid beard growth. Good quality beard butter contains all the necessary ingredients to promote facial hair growth. However, it will not magically make you into a furry beast with thick fuzz all over your face in just a few days. If you are still in your teenage years or early 20s, it is normal to have patches in your beard. Frustrating, I know, but it happens. Daily use of beard butter combined with good quality beard oil can stimulate beard growth in those problem areas, as long as you have hair follicles there. To improve your chances of growing a fuller beard, you could use beard butter with a beard care kit that comes with a derma roller. This will further improve blood circulation and awaken sleeping follicles on your cheeks, chin, and other parts of your face. 7 ways beard butter promotes beard growth. Here are 7 ways beard butter can stimulate beard growth. 1. Beard butter softens your beard. Regular use of beard butter improves the texture of your beard. Your beard will become softer and feel smoother to touch. Don't be surprised if your significant other spends more time running their hand through your beard. Out of the many beard butter available, Leland beard butter is arguably the best when it comes to softening beards and conditioning the skin beneath. Its all-natural essential oils packed full of vitamins ensure that your beard gets the right nourishment to improve its texture. This product melts easily, but doesn't feel greasy and is not runny at all. Plus, it leaves your beard with a light mango and lime scent. A soft and smooth beard is an indication that your hairs are getting adequate nourishment and growing properly. On the other hand, hard or tough beard hair is a sign that your beard and the skin underneath are lacking oil and moisture. 2. The ingredients in beard butter prevents hair breakage. Regardless of your beard's potential to grow long, if it is always breaking, falling off, and splitting, you likely won't have a healthy beard. Beard butter doesn't just make your beard soft and smooth, it also strengthens your beard. This ensures that your beard hair doesn't break, especially during cold months or when you comb and brush it. 3. Beard butter resolves the problem of beard patches. Beard patches can be embarrassing for most men. Thankfully, beard butter can help those patches fill in by stimulating beard growth in those areas. Good quality beard butter contains pure argan oil and jojoba oil. These two highly efficient ingredients can create a suitable condition that supports healthy, fuller, thicker, longer beards, and even quicker beard growth. I recommend Wild Willie's beard butter if you want something to boost your beard growth. It is excellent for tackling split ends and coarse beards. Wild Willie's contains no colorants, chemicals, fragrances, or preservatives. Rather, it is packed with 13 different natural and organic ingredients to moisten hair follicles and improve growth. 4. Beard butter prevents beard rough. Beard butter provides more moisturizing than beard balm, making it the perfect beard care product for tackling dryness that can often lead to beard rough. The coconut butter and shea butter content of beard butter helps moisturize the skin underneath your beard to prevent dryness. 5. It conditions your skin and beard deeply. You will never get your beard to grow properly without first giving your skin the right nourishment. Of course, the food you eat contains the nutrients to support beard growth. But here's the thing, as soon as your beard starts developing fully, you'll need to supplement your food with beard care products. If you don't do this, you will make it difficult for your body to continue supporting proper beard growth. The deep conditioning properties of beard butter provide your skin with the extra help it needs to remain fertile for healthy hair growth. 6. Beard butter reduces itches and other annoyances. The more you experience beard itches, the higher your chances for developing beard rough, irritation, ingrown hair, acne, and hair breakage. That's because all the peskiness is connected to the condition of your facial skin. The more supple your skin is, the lesser your chances of getting itches and its attendant problems. Because beard butter moisturizes your skin deeply, these problems are minimized significantly. My top pick for men who experience severe beard itch is the Maestro's Beard Butter. This product is specially developed to hydrate dry skin, moisturize unruly beards of any length, and fight itchiness. A little quantity of this creamy beard butter goes a long way, so you won't have to worry about running out too quickly if you have a full and big beard. It also smells great. It is important to point out that it is not made of all natural ingredients. However, that shouldn't be a problem unless you have sensitive skin. 7. Beard butter prevents scruffiness. What does messiness or scruffiness have to do with beard growth? Quite a lot, actually. A messy beard chokes the life out of new hairs. That is why getting a trim every now and then will help boost growth of new beard hairs. Regular use of beard butter will make your beard smoother and less messy, thus making it easier for newer hairs to grow out quickly. Regardless of beard length, the American Beard Butter by Live Bearded allows for greater control and taming to prevent scruffiness. This beard butter is specially crafted to keep beards from getting tangled. Apart from taming flyaway hairs, just like any good leave-in conditioner, this product locks in moisture to ensure healthy beard growth. It is made with natural ingredients that dissolve easily, leaving your hair feeling lustrous and smooth. Its scent is not overpowering. How to choose good quality beard butter. Beard butter containing cheap fillers will not help your beard grow. They'll just sit there and do no good other than make your beard extra shiny. Here's a small list of things to look at when choosing a product. Ingredients. This is the most important aspect of any beard butter, or any beard product for that matter. Beard butter can only be as effective as its ingredients, but you already know that. What you need to look for are the specific ingredients that make for quality beard butter. Some of these ingredients include shea butter, coconut oil, jojoba oil, Argan oil. Beeswax. I recommend choosing beard butter that contains natural ingredients because they will reduce your risk of allergies significantly, especially if you have sensitive skin. Consistency. Consistency is crucial to how easy, or not, it will be to apply the product. The consistency also affects the state of the beard butter while in storage. Too thick, and it will be difficult to apply. Too runny, and it can spill easily. Styling properties. Generally, beard butter products are formulated to provide a light to medium hold on beards. They will do a good job of styling your beard, though not as excellently as beard balm. If you want firm hold for styling purposes but don't want beard wax or a beard balm, go for a beard butter with higher beeswax content. Price. Price comes last for a reason. Always shop quality first if possible. Don't get too hung up on the price of any beard product. The price of a product could also say a lot about its quality. Of course, you don't have to go broke just to get good quality products, but cheap beard care products could turn out bad on your beard and skin. Conclusion. It may seem that beard butter serves the same purpose as other beard care products, but that's not the case. The unique formulation of beard butter makes it the perfect beard care product if you want something that offers deep conditioning with a touch of light hold. Although your beard will not grow overnight, you will be sure to notice significant changes to your beard in the first few days of using beard butter. Your beard will become softer, and you will experience fewer itches when the skin under your beard is no longer dry. Ultimately, this will set the stage for healthier beard growth. If you found the video helpful, show appreciation by giving it a thumbs up. Likewise, share it with your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks and visit beardguidance.com. Thanks for watching.